and welcome back. Today is harvest day and we're going to make a beautiful salad out of the free lettuce that I regrew from lettuce that I already ate from the store. So check this out. If you missed my video on how to grow your own lettuce free from the store, check out the video link below. Plus, the salad that we're about to make is husband and kid approved. The supplies that you'll need include a bowl or a colander and just your hands and your own free lettuce that you regrew from the store. This is the colander I use. It's just a bowl with holes in it so that you can bring that lettuce back inside and wash it off so that you can have your yummy salad. The ingredients in my delicious salad include hard-boiled eggs. I boil mine for about 12 minutes and then peel them. Then I cook turkey bacon at 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes. And I also cook my chicken breasts. And then I also take baby carrots and chop them up with a kitchen scissors. And then of course, you can't miss my lettuce leaf. Instead of chopping off the lettuce and removing the plant, you can just simply peel off the leaves that are about 4 inches long or longer and add those to your colander so they can be washed up. And you can leave the stem of the plant as is. It's going to look a little bit bare, but let me tell you, the lettuce plant will grow some more. My dressing is pretty simple too. Here's the ingredients. With a little extra virgin olive oil, apple cider vinegar, and McCormick garlic and onion seasoning, it'll be perfect. If you're wondering how much dressing, a lot of people use about 2 tablespoons. So you could measure that out in total and mix that up, or you can just drizzle a little as I typically do. I also chopped up some Colby Jack cheese from a block of cheese I bought at Dillon's. So this salad was so delicious and so yummy. My husband, who's not typically a salad eater, requested it right away when I made next week's meal plan. So I definitely know it was a hit and you should try it too. You can grow your own lettuce. It is so easy. And so right after I was done, I started the process again. I had 2 more heads of romaine that I had been soaking in a cup of water, brought them back out to the others that had been in the sunlight, and it will be perfect for another salad. Hey, well, I'm off to new adventures. I'm so glad I tried this, and it was fun to make a meal from nothing. For now, bye for now, and I'll see you next time. If you have things you'd like me to try out for DIY projects, let me know. Send me a message. For now, bye-bye, and have a great day.